Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at CAD yen as price has approached a major support zone. Now, what's interesting about CAD at the moment, obviously, we do have a rate decision out of the Bank of Canada, which is likely going to see the Bank of Canada hold interest rates as they are at 0.25%. So, if that's the case, then we might not see any kind of upside to the Canadian dollar or downside in particular, because it's forecast to be for no change. We may get something out of any kind of statements or releases after that. But what's interesting about CAD yen at the moment is it's a real big currency pair that reacts to the risk sentiment in the market. Now, we've seen recently that the risk has increased in the market due to the new variant of coronavirus. However, with the S&P being at a key support level, and it's looking like the coronavirus headlines have kind of or there's very minimal headlines out of it currently, so it's kind of looking to me like that risk factor may be slightly moving away, and we may start seeing that risk on back in the markets. Now, CAD yen may benefit from that move. We've seen a jump in oil today. We've seen a jump in the S&P today. So again, that's kind of showing me that at the moment there is some risk on in the market. Now, what could that mean for CAD yen? That could mean some short-term upside. Now, we are technically long this market. The market has been quite bullish for some time. We've talked about the potential for the yen to strengthen from the strength meter, which has seen price come back down, and we were looking at short opportunities throughout here. Now price has come back into the support zone, though. We need to be a little bit careful with any kind of short opportunities, because buyers may step in here and the overall trend may continue back to the swing highs. Now, if that's the case, what we should see is an uptrend developing on the 4-hour time frame. Now, instead, what we've actually got is a bit of a consolidation pattern. We don't technically have the higher high, higher low pattern just yet. And what would that and that kind of suggests that there's not a sort of long opportunity yet on CAD yen. However, what we have seen, like I said, is this consolidation at support. Now, typically, when we see these type of patterns at a key support level, we can often see the market break out of these patterns and reverse. So that's what I'm kind of looking for here on CAD yen. I'm looking for the market to break out of these swing highs, create that higher high, and then if price comes back to retest, let's say for instance it breaks out of this sort of 89 level, let's say price breaks out of that, closes above, shows us that buyers are stepping into the market, what we can look for is a retest of the zone or the consolidation pattern, and then we can look for further long opportunities after it is confirmed that buyers are stepping into the market. Okay, so keep an eye on CAD yen. There could be a long opportunity forming. If it does form and we do see that breakout in the trend here on the 4-hour time frame, we could look to trade back up to the swing highs. If it doesn't and risk remains in the market, then we could see price obviously continue downwards. You know, we have to be aware that that risk element is still slightly there at the moment, and you know, if we did get some shocking headline like you know, the Omicron variant is more deadly, that would really shut down the markets, I think, and we would see that risk off sentiment back in, but at the moment evidence isn't suggesting that at all, so we could see a little bit of risk on in the market in the short term. So I hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to watch some more of our Forex content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.